Hey guys, a very quick unboxing and review of one new thing I got, a new knife. The Kershaw Cargo, model number 2033. So I got this at a phenomenal price of, I think, 20 bucks or close to that from Blade HQ. Hit or miss. This company is definitely a reputable knife distributor. You can fully rely on them that they have genuine product. I've always had good experience with them. Some prices are unbeatable at Blade HQ. Some prices are I mean, they're all running a very tight profit margin, so all the other knife distributors will have pretty similar prices. I'm just splitting pennies here to begin with. But enough about where I buy it from. Let's see about the knife. So this is the Cargo 2033, and I got this at a phenomenal price of 20 bucks, if you can believe that. 20 bucks for D2 steel. Can you imagine that? All right. At the photos, with Kershaw, I'm kind of always confused because at photos it looks very pocketable, very nice, and then I buy it and then I found, oh, it's too bulky, or it's too heavy, or it's too light, or it's too wobbly, or whatever. So it's a risky thing. That's why I usually don't buy Kershaws, but I just couldn't resist. Who could resist like 20 bucks for D2 knife? And I got this thing. So I was worried about the handle because the handle itself is very minimalistic. See, I have an L size, I wear L size gloves. Jimping here, extremely good blade, long blade. And what I liked about it on the photos, that unlike the bug out, or unlike the maybe the Hogue Deca, where they lightweight everything down, this one actually has this metal inserts on both sides that, you know, serve dual purpose. Both make the handle rigid and at the same time give additional strength, lock the blade well good. I mean, provide enough support for the lock itself. See, if this type of lock was without the inserts, it would have been disaster. But Kershaw did it extremely well. It's not very easy to flick around because it's just new. But all my Kershaws require a little time to you know, get used to, create their own grooves, and kind of after that they flick no problem. One hand opening is no problem. And at the same time, look at this, guys. The blade itself is 3, and let me just line it up precisely. The sharpening choil right here. All right. 3 1/4. For such a small format, this is exactly what I've been begging, you know, the market or Kershaw or whoever. I don't want some bulky knife hanging in my pocket and driving me crazy with that weight. This thing is very lightweight, mostly because they made the handle so small. But who needs bigger handle on a pocket knife? Are you going to chop wood with pocket knife? So usually it's like for package opening, for like something light, for, you know, occasional self-defense. And it's great for that purpose. If you want to use it as a survival batoning knife, no, it doesn't work, doesn't cut it. But you know, for a pocket, and it's very slim. That's what I really liked about it. It's very slim. So this is below 1/2 inch at its widest part. See, right here, it's close to 1/3 of an inch right there. Yep. It is very thin profile, very well made, well designed and engineered, glass infused nylon. I'm not sure about the any washers inside and whether they're, I don't see anything brass, but I don't know. Very good, very well made. Sits deep into the pocket, so out of it in a pocket you'll only see this thing. And D2 steel, that's going to be phenomenal. Of course, it's at that price, it's made in China, I'm absolutely positive. Yeah. But it is what it is. You can't get a better deal for D2 steel at 20 bucks from Kershaw. I mean, on a reputable knife brand like this. Good jimping, very stable, no wobble whatsoever, and very ergonomic and comfortable. A little bit too aggressive to be a gentleman's knife, but it is something of that range. Easily hideable, easy to deploy, easy to fold. For 20 bucks, can't beat that deal. Thanks for watching. Bye.